Today I will show you how apply Dubai visa online and fill application form step by step. First, visit the official website onlinedubaiVisa.com, the link in the description. Once the website opens, you will be redirected to the application form page. Select your citizenship and select your country of departure. Select the visa type you want to apply for and click Apply Now. Now start filling the form. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. After that, enter your email address. Next, select your education level and choose your profession. Then select your purpose of visiting Dubai, UAE. Choose your country code and enter your mobile number and WhatsApp number. After that, enter your passport number and select your passport expiry date. Now mention your travel date or arrival date in Dubai. In the last steps, upload a clear scan copy of your passport and then upload a passport-size photo. Once everything is filled correctly, click on Submit Application. You will now be redirected to the checkout page where you can complete the payment. After they receive the payment, your application will be processed and your Dubai visa will be sent to your email. You can also track your visa by clicking on Track Visa at the top of the website and entering your visa reference number, which starts with ODV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.